Can you remember the last time you had your furnace checked and maybe tuned up? Well, today we're with Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning to talk about the importance of doing that. How's it going, Roger?
Good. How you doing, Cameron?
Good. So what do we have over here?
Well, this is a customer of ours, Maggie, and we're going to go in here and do a maintenance and tuning on her heating equipment today to maintain her efficiency and safety.
All right. Can we go inside?
Certainly.
Sweet. Is that it, Roger?
This is where we're going to be working today, Cameron.
Oh, cool. So when you perform a maintenance check and a tune-up of these furnaces, what all do you do?
Well, there's a lot of different things we do. We're going to check and adjust the gas pressure to make sure we're within operating standards. We check amp draws on the motors. That gives us a service record to make sure they're within manufacturer specs, and also if over time we start to see increases, we know there's problems looming that we have to take care of. We're going to check airflow, of course the gas burn with our combustion analyzer.
Now say that again. What is this?
This is a combustion analyzer.
What does that do?
That tells us what this furnace is putting out, the exhaust, if everything in there is the way it's supposed to be, the proper amount of carbon monoxide. And of course we want to check this exhaust system as well to make sure there's no physical problems, that the exhaust is being removed from the home outside.
So it's not just obviously keeping the furnace warm so you have a warm home for the winter, but that's deadly. That's dangerous, right?
That's dangerous. That's all of what this is about, is safety. Of course, maintaining reliability on the equipment as well as warranty.
And one of the things we all know that causes the furnaces to really wear is the air filter. What do you do at that point?
Well, the air filter we have to see down here. Now this happens to be one of our premium air filters, and this we unplug. And this is one of the things that the homeowner needs to keep taken care of on a regular basis.
So there's responsibility on their end as well.
There is. Now on these, if you have a maintenance agreement with us, we come out and take care of the cleaning on this. This consists of a pre-filter that catches the big particles, and then we've got a field charger which charges the particles, and then our collection cell which catches the smallest particles, allergens, down to even germs. This will catch 99% of the influenza strain A and B virus.
So once you check the air filter, what's next?
Then we have, on this particular model, she has an indoor air quality package. We have the humidifier here that puts humidity back into the home, makes it more comfortable, reduces static electricity, and she even has UV bulbs on this system to help reduce radon and to kill germs as well.
So once you got all that down, is that it?
We've got one more thing to do upstairs with the control.
All right, let's go.
And now the last step is the user interface to reset to the homeowner's condition prior to our arrival. This is actually not just a thermostat, but this is a complete control that's Wi-Fi enabled, communicates not only with the equipment, but with the homeowner as well. They download the Nexia app on their device, and they can control this thermostat as well as other home automation items from anywhere they have cell phone service.
That is so cool.
So this is going to communicate with the equipment, control all the indoor air quality products we saw downstairs, as well as communicate with the homeowner. And we can record the ID number off this piece that puts back to our service department. If there's a problem, we'll get an error code and we'll know there's a problem before the homeowner does and can get set to fixing it.
Gotta love technology. And you told me earlier, times have changed because a lot of the factories are now requiring that you get your furnaces checked. Is that correct?
It is. Just like an automobile, we have to have regular maintenance on the equipment to maintain the factory warranties. And of course, we provide those maintenance services to keep everything up and running, maintain the safety and the warranties on the equipment.
All right, so how can our viewers get a hold of Fire and Ice?
They can go to our website at indoortemp.com or call us at 614-842-2100.
Perfect. Roger, thank you so much for letting us come out on this visit.
Thank you, Cameron.
Again, to get your furnace checked, contact Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning. Now, can I play with some of that?
You go right ahead.
All right.